On futures, it's like I can enter now, close now, you know, those kind of things. Okay, I need this quick. All of you are holding the entry point of the money. Hey, it's gonna be a heavy thing, understand? You see, now we're on 3.9 now.
Oh yeah, it's only going to.
Yeah.
It was like
And for me, that's not a lot of fun.
200k. When did it 7k? Bank account details are code. Let's try, guys.
Understand? So let's do this.
The goal is respecting what you guys are in. No.
Is it respecting?
It's really respecting.
You see here. Let me show you how much we have now. I'm looking for 200,000 in this plan, and you see. But it's written in Bitcoin, but my money is not in Bitcoin. I didn't invest on Bitcoin. I don't want to lie, guys, and you find now you guys are going to buy Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin is very expensive for a person like me. I had to watch it. You see, here there's way to return futures. So you just come here and say futures.
Yeah.
You see, now they give you the whole chart. They give you the whole chart. Okay, what is this? Let's see, let's check first. And you might find I have a blog for trading this now. Okay, it's BTC USD, yeah, cool. So when you enter the trade here, we have what we call
What size? Size.
Size, cool. You see, so we have like 100%. No, let's go for market. I want to show you the market. This. So here you're telling them how much you want to actually risk it all. So you can always say you want to risk all your amount. And then we have this. You see here, that's where the problem comes. You're actually telling them when they move how much should they 10x your money. So let's say imagine you put it here.
125 times.
Yeah, 125. You see our V8 when it moves it says 10x. So that means that 10x in your money. So here they are going to be
125 times.
Yeah, your capital. So this is a leverage.
So which means if I funded 1,000 and the income statement that is going to be 125,000.
Yeah. If you funded how much?
1,000.
Yeah.
And then if I said every P, let's say every time it goes up,
Yeah.
it has to be times by 125.
Yeah.
Which means
That's where the money lies.
Yes.
Yeah, that's where the money is, bruh. Is that a lot?
And then
So-
choose the direction, which side of the direction.
Yeah, and you see now when you analyze, you just analyzing the
Like-
same.
Same way as charts.
Yeah.
Wow.
So these are the futures. You see, the person that entered here, technically, if he entered with like $500, is paying like 2,000 to 3,000 or 4,000, depending on the risk that he acquired on his own trade. You see.
I'm smelling an M5CS here.
You see. See. Okay, you like zones, ne?
Yeah.
This are your zone here.
Yeah. And this one.
And there's no like those gaps. You see those fundamental movements that happens in the market, in the market that we trade. Here they are not there. So you
It
see.
just moves.
Yeah. Clean. So here you could have like got your perfect buy. You see from here to here, bro. With 125x.
For sure you'll be holding close to 20 something.
Yeah.
Yes.
But then remember the higher the leverage,
The
the higher the risk. Like it said, let me show you from this point. And obviously you need to tell it how much it should lose. So basically you can just say 100% of your amount and then Man, even if you can go this 20
Select high leverage such as 10 times, increase your
Yeah.
liquidity risk, always manage your risk level, see our help. Go for more information.
So the problem is if I press it, it's gonna open. I don't have money. I'm joking. You need to transfer to
To the futures.
yeah. Now we are on spot. And then for spot you already understand, eh? Spot we only buy fair. Like you buy and hold. Like you can buy any crypto here. You can buy Solana. How much is Solana? Solana, you see,
Yeah.
I wanna read sports market this side. So let's say it cost $177. So the reason I didn't buy this and I bought this, you know why?
Because this one has been a long time since you bought it. Yeah.
And it cost less.
Less.
You see how much it cost,
Yeah.
and you see the difference.
Yeah.
So for me buying this one and this one here, I'm gonna have a lot of coins on this side.
And that side, if you buy it that side, what if it goes back down?
And you understand? But at the end of the day, if you buy this one with the money that I have 40,000, you're gonna have how many coins? You can just divide this. This could be like 4,000 to 3,000. You divide with 40,000. Those are your coins. Maybe you can have 10, 20 coins. With this one, you have 30 some 10,000 coins. Imagine. Just imagine, guys. There are a lot of coins. In fact, you can just search. You see, even this coin I trust. This one.
It's still below.
You see, it's how much. This one I trust. And this one, man. Trump coin. Oh. I mean, like a lot of cash, and I didn't close it. Came back and sanitized them. And then sometimes you need to check who invested on that coin. You see this coin, eh? I wanna really get $12. Man. Imagine this one
Becoming $12.
becoming $12. How much am I gonna get?
Because now it's still going like 0.
So what is the point of buying this one?
That one, I feel like every single person is invested in that one.
For me, Pella, to own one, you see how much you have to buy to own one. And then this one, to own one, you need 60 something thousand to 70. Owning one, Pella, it will mean one, and to double one, it will take time. Can you teach me? Please text me on WhatsApp, guys. We have one of the good special now for lessons. We're gonna teach you guys. So I wanna create this. So now I've actually found out how can I actually educate my people. So we can just educate them this, and then here. Okay, this is the same thing. Still on the futures. And then this, they call it the, I forgot the name of it. So here you actually see how many people entered buy and how many people entered sell. So you see, buying people are a lot.
Now at this point, out of the join the people that have bought, that have sold.
You wanna sell?
Looking at that zone there.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
Nah, me, I feel like this one's a newbies, Joe. If they want to sell, they should go to my gold, the Daloma estate. You can sell this thing, right?
I would say, like, I'm a newbie as well.
So you just wanna sell?
Like, not decide. I'm looking at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. Because now you know how I trade. Once I see that level, like.
So this side we don't trade like, okay, this side we change the whole concept. Remember the concept we use in trading, it's not really like working funny one. The up and down thing, up, down, sell, buy.
Left, right, center.
Marana
You
can
buy it,
understand.
you sell it, guys.
You see your gold, bruh. Yo guys, gold is pushing, guys. Gold is pushing. It's pushing gold, guys. Let's buy gold, guys. I'm buying gold.
He's buying gold.
This is not a financial advice. It's for educational purposes. Before you can enter, please contact your banker or your financial advisor.
People that have licenses.
People that have licenses. I saw others breaking that they have licenses but they don't trade real accounts. I want to be, you know. Hey, we have licenses. But you don't even have a whip. Kanchani manje. I believe you guys wanna try to have a car and have a life. You guys are busy paying people. License. You have the license, but you don't have the whip. I think this license thing has to have an entry point, guys.
Also need me a text message. Happy birthday, brother. May the Lord all for this today. Thank you. Thanks. I'll tell you.
Our bank account is habisa dihlong. Hey, this thing I choose about you.
I never got Xness.
Yeah, with Xness you can make a lot of bag. Yeah. What's good, guys? What's good? I'm back, man. I heard you guys been missing me. So ngibuyile manje.
With the new haircut, with the old haircut, with the prime haircut.
Prime Ninja's back now.
With the prime Arara. Yo, this thing is going.
The Goldarar.
The golden area. It's golden rally.
Okay, join the free channel, guys. I'm dropping a signal.
I'm dropping an alert.
Oh, an alert of what I have entered. I haven't got used to this one. You see what it's doing? We are moving. Let's clean out this.
Floating 4K.
Oh, it's buying. Yo. Call. When's that?
55K.
Right, it's buying.
Yes. It's moving.
You still on the floor.
Bank account,
So now you know where we're going, okay? Because we have the trend.
Yeah.
So basically, you know where we're going.
Look at this shit, bro. Look at it, bro.
Yeah, we're
Look
moving,
at it,
we're
bro.
moving,
Ha!
we're moving.
Hey.
We're moving, man.
Just trust in the process, guys. Yeah. Trusting the process is very nice, bro. Look at this, man.
It's about making money, guys.
Trust in the process, bro.
And then we say making money makes
Sense.
Uh-huh.
If you ain't making dollars, you don't make sense.
So now we all about the holding system.
The whole darara.
Hey guys, hey, nan disturb, but just let me go meet man. This is the phone that I use.